iPhone XS Max is a typical S model year upgrade. Blah, 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 blah. Where have you been hiding? Clearly, my editing skills have atrophied, so let's just get to letting loose some arrows. Here, I'll cut it. I'll cut it up.
Welcome to my new channel, FullMag, featuring Matt Best and my filmer, Richard Ryan.
We're at Casa de Best here.
We are. We're slinging some arrows, man.
Getting some reps in.
Except for this block is like 4 feet away now.
It is. I got to shoot the iPhone tomorrow, so because it's going to be kind of close in, I want to get some target practice in a little bit closer. Right?
Make sure you give the internets what they want.
Right?
Rich.
Yeah, dog. All right, new logo. New logo. Everything.
You have a new logo?
Yeah,
No,
everything's changed.
What's your new logo?
Everything's changed. It used to be so cool. Look at that. Reps on reps.
Reps on reps. I'm like Cam Hanes right now.
Oh shit.
You know?
Oh shit. So okay, so what I wanted to do, I wanted to take a minute just to kind of chat about stuff that's been going on over the last couple of years. So, so you guys kind of have an idea, like what happened? Where'd you go? Because there's been a lot of stuff happening in the world, as far as YouTube channels when it came to firearms, people kind of disappearing, some people getting in legal trouble and stuff like that, demonetization with channels. And just to be upfront, like, FullMag was never like really a full-time job for me. Every penny I pretty much made on it, I put back into making videos. And about, what was it, a little over 4 years ago, Black Rifle Coffee?
Yes, sir. 4 years.
A little over 4 years ago.
Yeah. You did.
A little over 4 years ago, Matt, JT, Evan, and I, and Jeff were in a basement in Utah, right? We made it official, right?
We did. We got legally married in business. And now I want a divorce. It's super weird.
It's so awkward. It's so awkward.
Hold on. Before we get into serious stuff, can you look at this outfit? I mean, come on.
Oh, welcome to Texas, dog. Welcome to Texas. Yeah, so what happened was about that time, we were trying to figure things out. Matt was full-time Art 15 and M Best 11X, right?
Yeah, was rocking and rolling, just helping out with the conception of Black Rifle, but we all decided to put our big boy pants on and
Yeah.
have a really awesome company that we have today.
Yeah, so it wasn't big enough to kind of support us financially. So Matt and JT and Rocco and everybody were still in El Paso, and I decided to move out to Nashville to help launch Rated Red with Verizon and Hearst. And then after a few years, the coffee company just got way bigger than anyone had expected really fast. So a couple years ago, Matt moved to Salt Lake full time. And then last year I resigned from Rated Red and moved to Salt Lake full time as well. Now we've relocated to San Antonio. It's just been crazy trying to keep up with us.
It's awesome. I love Texas.
I do too. So much better than the desert. I'll take it any day of the week.
Look at this.
Right?
You know?
Reps on reps on reps.
Yeah, I need to work in my reps. Those aren't the straightest arrows.
We're out here. We got new releases. We're trying to get used to and everything. I'm used to the trigger release, and now we got, what are those?
The knock-on release, dude. This is my jam. This thing is awesome.
How you liking it?
It's my favorite release of all time. I just got to square my shit away and get some better.
Better holds?
Yeah.
Yeah, dog.
Gotta learn the fundamentals first.
All about those fundamentals. So now I'm kind of getting things going back, and I figured the iPhone would be one of the best ways to do that, because it's kind of like the staple from a few years ago. That's what I was doing all the
Supposed to
time.
give me an iPhone. I told him just give me a fucking iPhone. instead of
They're
shooting
so
it.
expensive now. They're so expensive. So all right. Anyways, I was like, I'm gonna do some really cool stuff here with FullMag and Black Rifle Coffee. I mean, over the last
allude to the fact that we're doing some epic stuff and we bought way too much things to blow up and shoot, mainly you. So they should be pretty excited for the episodic stuff to come.
Yeah, so last year when I came on full time to Black Rifle Coffee was to focus on the marketing and content side. And so if you guys have been paying attention to that, great. If you haven't, go over to the Black Rifle Coffee YouTube channel to see all the gear, drink videos and stuff. A series that I created called It's Who We Are. We're working on one now for Mr. Matt Best here, but check out the one with Wally.
We'd actually heard that he was killed in Afghanistan.
The Taliban attacked on me 5 times.
We were super excited to find out, one, he was alive, and two, he was in the United States.
In Afghanistan, there's a 2-way, good way and bad way. The Taliban or Al-Qaeda or ISIS, they chose the bad way. I chose the right way.
That one's an awesome one. There's
Wally, Amanda Higgins.
I flew F-15E Strike Eagles. I was the backseater, which is called a weapons system officer. I was responsible for putting warheads on foreheads.
There's some really cool stories within the coffee company that you got to check out. So we're working on some pretty unique, I guess you could say, things that we're doing over the next few
never
weeks.
been done before things.
Yeah, some pretty sick things. So we're gonna figure out over the next week or two how we're gonna release this stuff and everything. But there's gonna be a lot of content coming between Black Rifle Coffee and FullMag, things along those lines. Rated Red actually, I don't know how you would say it. Verizon pulled the funding from all their digital media companies. So I hired a couple of the Rated Red crew that got laid off to help keep FullMag going full time, because I really just don't have the bandwidth to do it. So there's gonna be a lot of stuff coming, and to kind of keep pace with the YouTube.
Are you cutting to like explosions?
Oh, I know it. I'm so boring right now.
To explosions. I feel like.
I know. I'm so boring right now. So the monetization factor and everything, far as guns and being a ballistics or slow-mo channel and things along those lines, I got some new shows, and I just wanted to kind of give you guys a heads up that I'm going to try a bunch of different things. We spent a considerable amount of money between the coffee company, thanks to really awesome partners like Matt, JT, and Evan. So there's been some significant upgrades in slow motion tech and things along those lines. So I'm going to focus on doing some slow-mo stuff outside of firearms as well. So if there's any stuff that you guys want to see, let me know. And I guess we'll just have to see how the next few weeks play out, huh?
No look. Oh, God.
That's a good way to end it.